Hi guys, welcome back. And guess what? If you are looking for the best summer cocktail, I got one for you, especially now that strawberries are in season. Haha. Okay, we're gonna make a strawberry Moscow Mule. So we're gonna start, first of all, we have our glass, and in is going to go our 2 large mint leaves, fresh mint leaves, and then we need 2 large strawberries. And those are going to be muddled in. And while I'm muddling this in, guys, I'll tell you about the vodka that I'm going to use, because of course you use vodka in a Moscow Mule. This is from Old Nick Williams. It is the oldest distillery in North Carolina. They're in the Louisville area. Oh, this smells wonderful already. And they make a wonderful vodka. So if you guys are ever there, they do tours and tastings. They're a lot of fun. They're family owned and operated still to this day. Really cool. Okay, now I've got that all muddled in beautifully like that. And the juice of 1 whole lime. Into that goes 2 shots of vodka. And guys, if you want to have your cocktail without ice, chill all of your ingredients beforehand. And I don't know about you, I like to keep vodka in the freezer. I don't use it very much, but I like to have it in the freezer whenever I am going to use it. And then we're going to top this off with ginger beer. Look how beautiful that is. Give this a little stir to incorporate everything. Ah, gorgeous! Now, look at that. Wow, that is out of this world. And if you guys try this, leave me a comment on that and make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.